Hello guys, today we are gonna repair this 2D monitor, Edirol MA20D. It's a digital stereo micro monitor, and the problem is there's no power from both monitor, left and right. And I believe this is a 100 volt AC powered, and maybe the person had accidentally plugged into the 220 volt in his house without the downstep converter and make this speaker broken. I'm gonna check inside. I'm gonna open this and check which fuse diode blown or any other component damage, and I hope I can fix this. Okay, let's get started. Like usual, I always make a simple drawing for the screw placement so I don't forget where the screw belongs to. This has a many size of screw here, small one, big one, so it will be better if I make a simple drawing and put a double tape on top of it. There's a cable there connected to the front panel, so I think we need to also open the front panel. Okay, let's remove the knob. Okay, all screw out. Now we have this easily to unplug the socket. I think this is the power supply board. We need to check, is there any fuse blown or diode blown or leakage capacitor. Okay, let's set the multitester to continue to test. Let's check the fuses. Okay, I already checked. The power supply is not a problem. All fuse is not blown. The capacitor is good. The diode is good. What interesting is the switch button. It's kind of hard to push, so I just spray a little amount of lubricant, W40, and I think this solves the problem. Also, comparing the left speaker, it's kind of hard to push. I hope this switch problem will solve this power problem. Okay, let's make a test. Plug in the cable, AC cable. I'm using this step up and down transformer. Output 110 volt and this is 220 volt. Okay, put the power on. Oh, what's happened? Maybe a little lubricant. See, it's stuck. Okay, let's try this switch after I spray a little lubricant. See, the speaker is working. So I have a problem with the right speaker switch. Before this, both of them is dead. There's no LED lights if you push this because the switch is broken. So I think I found a problem, and yeah, for a permanent fix, maybe I will try to replace the switch, both of them. Okay, let's try again for the right speaker and push. It's dead. But if I push longer and I hold, the LED stay on as long as I push the switch. But if I release, it will be dead. So the problem is in this switch here. For the left speaker, I just spray with the lubricant and now it is fine. But for the right speaker, it still has a problem. It's not a wrong plug into 220 volt. It is a switch problem that maybe it's old switch and kind of hard times to switch on, switch off too many times. So I think we need to replace this switch. So since the right button power switch is broken and I need time to order this from online store or nearest electronic store from my place, this one is actually working, the left button for left speaker. So I decided to switch them. So I put the good one into the right speaker unit because this is the main unit. I already soldered them. This is the good one. It has 4 legs. And for the left one, I made a small modification. I soldered a cable to short the legs so the speaker is always on. So whenever you want to turn off this unit, you need to unplug the cable or turn off the electric source from your wall. Okay, now 2 speakers has a LED lights on, left and right. I already switched the good switch into right speaker. See, now If I release, it keeps on. And this is, it's not functioning because I already modified the switch. Okay, that's it. That's all I did to fix this Edirol MA20D. I hope you enjoy the video. Subscribe and like to my channel, and see you in my next video. Thank you, terima kasih.